Alright, this is an unboxing and showcasing this Fantic Pro electric wiggle car, the N7. We're gonna open this up and see what we get within this box and put this whole thing together. And this is such an amazing little car for, kids and people who just want to have fun. And there is a weight limit. I think it's about 150 pounds, so you have to stay under that. But let's open this up and see what we got. So we have a little, some wheels in here, and I feel like this will go on the back, and it's a really solid looking object that feels really nice. We're going to throw the styrofoam away, and let's see what we have in here. This might be a plug to charge up this FanttikRide. And yes, so here we go. This is a little plug. I think you can run this on a battery, and so we can charge it up with this plug. Let's open up the biggest part of this whole box and bring out what might be the entire FanttikRide, and we just have to attach a few things. This feels amazing. This is essentially like a cool looking little go-kart for kids and adults alike, honestly. Now what else do we have in here? We probably have this wheel with some directions on it as well. And then this says the square tube, so we're gonna figure out what this is. And that is the extent of what comes in the box. So we're gonna throw this box to the side and put this whole thing together. This already feels incredibly nice and solid, and this is a really solid base to it as well, and I think you attach that on the bottom of this little go-kart. So this is a nice wheel that you have, and you attach it to the front of this FanttikRide, and you can steer it a certain way. Let's see if we can put this whole thing together, and we're going to follow the steps in this user manual. It looks very straightforward. Alright, so we have the parts list, we have the vehicle body, the square tube, which we need to figure out what this is as well. We also have the bogie, the steering wheel, the charger, which we pointed out earlier, and the instruction manual here. So let's move to the instructions. Got the screwdriver. We have step number 1 is install the square tube and bogie. And the directions say to have this turned this way. So the connection is on the top here. And we're going to place this down in like that into this section here. Oh, okay, and so the pre-installed nut is down underneath here. Alright, so we'll take this square tube. We've detached the screws from either side, or the bolts essentially, and we're going to install this into the bogie. So we're going to place this in like this, and we can see the hole coming through on that, and we're going to put this bolt through both of those and use this screwdriver to tighten it in so that it's locked in place. And the nut, which is pre-installed, is down on the other side. Yes, the bolt is locked in with the nut in this little bogie. Okay, and now we take the main part of this FanttikRide, and we have to install the bogie underneath, and the place where we install it is down here. There's a little section where we can throw this on, let's see, so it looks like it's like this on the diagram. We're going to take the bogie and place it through just like this. There we go. We see that the square tube came up through the top where we will attach the wheel, I'm assuming. And that is step 1 completed. So installing the steering wheel, we're going to do the same thing with the steering wheel. We have holes on either side, and looks like it's, this is pointing forward, so that is where we are going to, and we will be riding this part of it. So we're going to be going forward and placing this like this, just on top there. And then we take this bolt, go through the wheel into the square tube that is, we placed it on top of, and attach the bolt to the other side, like this. Step number 2, the steering wheel is installed, and just want to read through, make sure everything is the right way. The front is down there. So that's it. That is essentially the entirety of installing this Fantik N7Ride, and there is a battery that you need to charge first. Now, something incredible about this is it is Bluetooth operated, so you can connect music to it, so that you have music playing while you are driving this around. And this is just going to be such an amazing little thing for, kids and adults to enjoy at the same time. So highly recommend grabbing one of these, and I'm looking forward to seeing how this works with the battery all charged up.